have completed our block 17. Yes, different types of fruits, leaves and stems we have learned in the class. Okay. Now I will say you one thing you should do now. Will you do, children? Okay. By seeing this video, once pause it and stand up, jump. Till I say you should jump. Jump, jump, jump. 50 times. Yes? Okay, 25 times. Jump for 25 times. Sit down. Now tell me, how do you feel? You are tired. Yes or no? Yes. Now what is your next step to do when you are tired? After 2 to 3 minutes, you will drink water. Okay? And you are also getting hungry. Isn't it, children? Yes. What do you eat now? Yeah, the food which you like, you will eat. Yes or no, children? Yes. Now, the same topic that we are going to discuss. Food I need. Now I need food to get energy. I have tired a lot. I have studied. I have done my homework. I do my exercise. I went to the ground and I came. Now I was very tired. I want something to eat. Do you feel or not? Yes. So, today our topic, I need food. What is that, children? I need food. Do you all need food, children? Yes. For what purpose we are eating food? Okay. Before going to ask this question and before going to tell the answer why do we need food, one small story I will tell you. Will you listen, children? Yes. So, in one school, like our Samskruti school, one school is there. There one Ravi and Rani, both friends are there. Okay. So what happened? After the school completion, they both went to their home. Okay. After going home, this Ravi felt very weak and he fell down on the bed and he is not able to talk. Then Ravi mother came near Ravi and said, "What happened, Ravi? Why you are like that? Why you are tired? Why you are not speaking to me?" Mother told. Then Ravi is unable to speak. Why? Because he was very tired. Then she asked to the Rani, "What happened to Ravi?" Rani said, "He did not complete his breakfast in the morning, even the lunch too." What happened? He did not eat his breakfast and he did not open the lunch box itself. Okay. Then how he will get energy? Do he feel tired and playing in the ground? Sorry. Without eating the food, he is playing in the ground. Do you get energy if you won't eat anything and play in the ground? No, we will get tired. Yes or no, children? So, same the thing. This Ravi was very tired. He fell on the bed. Mother called the doctor and doctor did not give any medicine. What did doctor say here? Doctor said Ravi did not eat food. He need food to get energy. He no need any medicines. What doctor told? He need food. He no need any medicine. Food gives him the energy. Please feed him. Doctor told and went. So what do you understood here? If we want to read or write or play in the ground or play in the home, for whatever the work we do, what do we want? We want food. For what purpose we need food? Now tell me, children. What happens if we eat the food? Yes, why do we eat food? My question is, why Yes. What happens when we eat a lot of food? Now we are told to eat the food. If you eat lot of food, what happens? Yes, your stomach will get pain. So no, you will get stomach pain. So here, what is the rule here? Too much. Too much of food is not good, and too less. Too less of food is also not good. Okay? Limited food. How much we need, that much only we should eat. Okay, children? This is the topic about I need food. Okay. Now I am discussing, this is the LP1 children. I am continuing LP2 also. Why? Because these are very small topics. Next topic is about how we are getting the food. Yes. I am rubbing it. Yeah. Now tell me, I'm telling to eat the food, eat the food, eat the food. First of all, where we are getting the food from? What are the sources of the food? Yes, our topic is source of food. Okay, now tell me what are the sources of food? Where do we get food from? Yes, see here children, we are getting the food from two sources. From plants and from animals. Okay? Yes, from plants and from animals. Yeah, you can tell me what are the food we are getting from the plants? We are getting so many. Rice, do we eat rice? Wheat, vegetables like potato, fruits like apple, etc. So many we are getting from the plants. And tell me what are the food items we are getting from the animals? Do you drink milk? Yes. Do you eat eggs? Yes. Do you eat fish? Chicken? So all these items we are getting from the animals. Okay. No other sources we have. We have only two sources. We are getting the food from the plants and animals. My one we first big thinking question. Not only from the plants and not only from the animals. Anything food we are getting from the other source? Is there anything? Yes. Think and tell me. In next class I will tell you the answer. What is the other source? Not only the plants and animals. We are getting one food item to our home. What is that food source? You want to tell me. Okay children. So this is the topic about I need food and sources of food. Okay. Now open your textbooks. Yes children. Open your textbook page number 112. Food we eat. Reasons for eating food. Food is very important for us. We eat food to get energy, to work and play. It also helps us grow strong. It keeps away illness and helps us stay healthy. Okay children? Source of food. We get food from plants and animals. Some of the food that comes from plants are fruits, rice and dals. Some of the foods that we get from animals are eggs, milk and meat. See the picture? You can see so many food items in your textbook. Yes, food is important for us. And examples. Food from plants, apple, rice and dal. Food from animals, egg, milk and meat. And also children, take your volumes and complete LP1 and LP2.